Okay, we have Mom with a pup and Orion with a pup. And they were running around just a second ago. There they go, chasing everybody. Orion's playing with Beth. Mom's playing with Amy and Joe, and here comes Beth. Everybody's together. Artie, come here. Artie's learning. She doesn't really like the puppies next to her, but she's learning to play with them. Orion, good boy. Whoa, there they go, under the tree. Beth wants to play with Artemis.